It's a bass, it's a good one. Hey, good morning. It's Monday, November 12th, and this is my last kayak fishing trip of the year. It's cold out here. It was 33 when I got up this morning. That's probably not cold to some of you, but it's cold to me. And last couple of times out, I haven't really had too much luck finding the bass, but we're going to try one more time today. And I brought my fish finder with me to see if we can maybe locate some on that to help us out a little bit. We shall see. Things I have tied on: lipless crankbait, chatterbait, jig, and a drop shot. So got a wide variety of things to go after them with today, and we'll see how we do. Wish me luck. All right, here we go. I think to start out, I'm going to go out here and throw this drop shot out here in this timber a little bit, just to see if there might be a fish or two down there that's interested. You can probably hear Mr. Leaf Blower out there. The depth finder showing the water temperature at 47 degrees. Probably be looking forward to that water temperature here in a few months. Breaking out the lipless crankbait. Water temperature is showing 53 now. This is getting a little bit warmer as I get deeper out here. There's a fish. It's a crappie though, do believe. Come here, Mr. Cold Crappie. One fish in the boat. Where are the bass? Holy crap, what are you doing way up there? Looking for you guys in the wrong dang place. Hey, a bass. Jumped right on it too. It smells pretty good. How about we throw that big jig up in there for a while? Fish. On a jig? Really? Look at that, people. Caught a fish on a jig. It's a late fall miracle. Mark that one down on the calendar. The fish on a drop shot. Look at that. Feeling pretty good too. What's it gonna be? Man, tugging me around all over the dang place. Must be a pickerel. It's a bass, it's a good one. Pickerel. Can he beat 25.5 inches? Oh my gosh, I think it's a bass. Nope, it's not. It's a snot rocket. God, he's a beast. You're huge. Two fishing trips and two big pickerel. All right, let me get the hook out of your mouth. Ooh, you got some nasty teeth. Yeah. Man, you get that thing way up in there. There. Gotcha. Let's get a length on you. I don't think you're going to beat that guy from last weekend. We'll see. Oh, you're going to beat it. Hey, guess what? You did. You beat him by 1/4 of an inch. You're 25 3/4. But you're just as ugly. Look at the teeth in there. All right, I'm gonna let you go. Gonna make it? There you go. Really? Is that a fish? It is. Kind of is it? It's a crappie. Need a paper mouth. All right, we're going to finish out on the GoPro here. So this is it for me for 2018, at least as far as getting the kayak out here on the lake. It wasn't as cold this morning as I thought it was going to be, but bite's still pretty slow. I'm not too unhappy. I caught 5 fish, 2 crappie, 2 bass, 1 on a jig, and then that big pickerel, which broke my pickerel PB once again by 1/4 of an inch. So thanks for watching, and I don't know what we're going to do to stay in touch over the dark winter months. Some unboxings maybe, and some reel cleaning, maybe some giveaways, maybe a little bank fishing if we have a warm day here or there. But thank you for watching, and we will see you when we see you. Tight lines.